In this video, you will learn how to wear the ceremonial dress uniform. To begin wearing the ceremonial dress uniform, the things you will require are parade boots, your cadet dress pants, your cadet dress shirt, your cadet tunic, your wedge, a tie, and belt. To start wearing the cadet ceremonial dress uniform, you will want to start off with a dress you've already learned, which is the summer dress uniform, which requires your boots, your pants, your belt, and your cadet dress shirt with the top button undone. To begin wearing the ceremonial dress uniform, you will need the tie. First, start by buttoning up the top button. Next, you will be learning how to properly wear the cadet tunic. You'll put it on just like you would a jacket. Adjusting anything that needs to be comfortably adjusted. If your shirt sleeves get caught, the tunic sleeves, then fix those. So, next is you will first button up the front of the tunic. Okay, make sure that you don't button up the top button, and try and get it a little flat. You can iron it, but make sure not to press the iron directly to the tunic, otherwise it's going to burn. So put it like a cloth or something underneath it, and you can press them flatter. Next is the belt. First, make sure that the belt is facing the right way. There's a smooth side and a lined side. You want the lined side facing you, the smooth side facing the front. To put the belt on, you'll take the arrow end and put it through the first slot of the buckle end, putting it through the back, pulling it out the front. Now, lightly adjusting, so that it's snug around you. Then, take the arrow end again, put it through the second slot, through the front, so it comes out the back. Now, another thing you can do is if you grab, because right now, as you can see, I've got this little fold here. The thing to fix that is grab these loops here, the second one to the back, 1, 2, second one to the back, and 1, 2, second one to the back on the other side, and just pulling those to the back. You'll flatten out the front. And you'll make hopefully a fairly nice pattern in the back that's going to look very formal and nice and dressy. So, to continue with the belt, you'll take the arrow end. Now, there's two ways that this can be done. First is to take the arrow end, take this floating loop here. It's floating because it moves. Pass it through the floating loop, and then put it through, cover the second solid loop, and then fold this end backwards into the solid loop. You'll get something that looks like this, then adjust the floating loop here so that it's sort of identical with the other side. The next way that this can be done is taking your arrow end, covering the floating loop, and just passing it through the solid loop, passing it back through the solid. And to finish off the ensemble, you will need your wedge. Your wedge will go on top of your head, like so, making sure that all your hair is tucked nicely inside. If you have longer hair on top like I do. Making sure you don't have a double wedge in the front, so taking the buttons and pulling them down. Key things to remember while maintaining this uniform is to make sure that your boots are nicely polished, your pants are ironed, your blue shirt is ironed, even though, yes, it's underneath the tunic, making sure that it's nice and ironed, because you never know when you'll need to take it. A neat trick for tying your tie, if you ever don't want to tie it again, is you can loosen it so that it doesn't come undone, and then pull it up over your head, and then hang that. You can do that. I like to tie it every time because it's kind of fun. Those are some tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more, there's several other videos that you can watch. This was how to wear the cadet ceremonial dress uniform, presented by myself, Warrant Officer 2nd Class Griswold.